Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be testing out the brand new Charlotte Tilbury Bejewelled Eyes to Hypnotise eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be doing swatches of this little beauty here and doing all 4 looks that Charlotte has created. So I'm going to be trying them all out today. So if you are intrigued by this launch or you just want something to watch, then please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. And without further ado guys, here is the video. So guys, this is the new Charlotte Tilbury Bejewelled Eyes to Hypnotise palette. It is 9.5 grams, 0.33 ounces. It is one of her big palettes. It comes in 4 sections of 3 and these are them here. It kind of gives you a little indication as to what the shades are going to be like, which is good. So yeah, this is the palette here. It's really pretty. I love like all the jewels at the front. See what it's like inside. It's the first time I'm opening it, so I'm actually really excited. Oh wow, it's robbling. It's not what I would expected it to be honest. This eyeshadow palette is £60 and $75 US. Not too bad going at all. The thing that kind of swayed me to get this palette is how versatile the colours look. I feel like they would suit everyone. I really like that about it so far. Very excited to try this. I'm going to do swatches as well. I'm going to start with Happy Glow. So they're all absolutely beautiful and I really love all of them. So I'm gonna do 4 looks. I'm gonna do 1 on each eye. I feel like they deserve the love. So I'm gonna start with the 2 brownie ones. I'm gonna start first with Happy Glow, which is this one here. And then I'm also on the other side going to do Seduce Glow, which is this one here. So they're both brownie. I'm feeling like they'll be the easiest to wipe off, I think. That's Happy Glow. Not bad, definitely opened up my eyes a lot. It's definitely made my eyes look brighter. Next, I'm gonna go in with the other kind of brownie shade, which is Seduce Glow. So this is a bit deeper, a bit less golden, a bit more bronze. I do like these. I feel like they're both very wearable for day and night. They both look very natural. If I had to choose one, I'd probably go for the Seduce Glow. So next I'm going to do the pinky ones. First I'm going to do the Love Glow, which is this one. And then on the other eye I'm going to do Dream Glow, which is this one. that is pretty much the finished look. As you can tell, they do look very, very similar. There are slight differences, like this is slightly pinkier, this is slightly deeper, slightly purplier, more purple, but they're very, 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 very close. I think my only bugbear with this palette is the fact that it seems like a duplicate of itself. She could have just split it in half either way and you'd still have the same looks. I expected them to look a bit more different on my eyes than they actually did. I do think it's a nice palette, but if you've got these colors already and you don't really feel like you need them, I don't really feel like you need them either. I felt like I would get huge FOMO if I didn't have this palette. Personally, I feel like I had a better feeling coming away using just the one jewel pot than I do with this entire palette. So yeah, I hope you guys found that useful. I hope you found it helpful. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.